The backer assembly, or dolly, on a Pelican protector, air, and storm case is a crucial part that works with the wheels to keep your transport case mobile. This video will take you through the steps to replace the backer and wheel assembly on all Pelican protector, air, and storm transport type cases. The tools and supplies you'll need to get the job done include a Phillips screwdriver or a magnetic bit screwdriver with a number 2.116 inch or number 3.133 inch Robinson square screwdriver bit. Before you can install a backer assembly, you'll need to remove the old one. You can follow along with these steps. Flip the case over on a work table so that the assembly is facing up. Next, you'll remove the screws by turning the screwdriver counterclockwise. Remove the old assembly. Line up the new backer and wheel assembly with the screw holes. Reinstall each screw clockwise into the holes with the screwdriver. We hope this video has helped, but if you should run into any issues, please feel free to contact the Pelican customer service team at 800-473-5422.